Hey guys, this is Robert, and today we are going to be unboxing this portable vibrating alarm clock. That was an alarm clock, double alarm clock, small, long battery life. It's 1, 2, 3 vibration levels. It's really compact. Okay, inside we have USB-A to C cable, a lanyard that's already attached, the alarm itself. See, it has 1, 2 alarms, time, sneezer, plus and minus sign, USB-C, whole bunch of switches on the back. Let's see, Monday to Sunday, Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday, on, off, 1, 2, vibration level. Okay, yep. Then we have the instructions on how to use it. And that's it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.